Hello everyone. Here I have BMW F900XR that I am enjoying a lot. Currently, as you can see, I have a full touring package installation. I have installed original BMW side panniers. On top you can see here Givi Maxia top case. In addition to that, I have installed MRA Vario windshield with adjustable spoiler that, as usually in VXR, you can lift or lower it down the windshield, and that gives amazing wind protection, especially on the highways or touring in any conditions. This is lovely setup that I am enjoying a lot, but I would like to make it a little bit more sportier look, at least feeling of it. So I will gonna be changing mirrors, changing windscreen into sporty one, and slightly adjusting visual looks of it in order to fit more sporty, agile look. So we will gonna converting this setup that is perfectly fit for my touring needs into more sporty one. In the 2025 model, BMW had an option to install optional bar end mirrors, but they will not gonna fit 2024 XR or previous generations, because 2025 have introduced some adapters that fits only the original 2025 handlebar. Yes, you can do some tricks and tweaks, some mechanical work to fit them here, but for this time I have chosen to install Motogadget designed bar end mirrors. They are frameless and as well very sleek design, minimalistic, and gives pretty good sportier look. For the installation, as I said, I will gonna use Motogadget bar end mirrors, and in order to add it to the existing handlebars I need Rizoma adapters. There is some others in the market, but I have chosen those just for the price, and actually it's very quality stuff to add it into handlebars. We will gonna start from removing the current hand protectors. Just unscrew the bolt. And there is a balance for vibration protection. As a next step, we will gonna remove original mirrors. As we remove bolts, it removes very easily. In the set, Rizoma is actually providing as well a bolt to install it in the previous original mirror position. We will gonna add that one as well. Let's unpack mirrors, remove it from the box. This is how it looks like. You can turn it to the side and we will have installed it here. That clamp will not gonna be needed for us in order for Rizoma adapter to fit in. But if you are using some other adapters, probably that clamp will gonna be needed for you. So we are having here bar and mirror. We are having a Rizoma adapter and original screw that will gonna fit into the same adapter and go through. So first of all, let's insert adapter, goes through the mirror, and just screw it with the original bolt. Let's tighten that up. And now let's tighten it up the mirror itself. That's it. Now bar and mirror is installed, so we are ready to remove protecting foil, and this is how it looks like now. If you would like to keep original hand protectors and bar and mirrors, it's possible to do that as well with very simple setup. So for illustration purposes, I will gonna remove this installation right now, and let's add the hand protectors. In order to do so, let's just unscrew the bolt. Let's remove this covering bolt. Now let's add original hand protectors, install that bolt again. We have bar and mirror with adapter. So what we need to do, we can install bar and mirror by the end and include additional original weight provided by BMW, or to install weight at the end in its original position and adapter with bar and mirror in the middle. The only thing that is needed for this kind of installation, if you are using additionally bar and weight, because you can do installation like this, but I will gonna add that bar end as well. Additional thing that you need, it's this longer bolt, because stock ones, they can go through one weight, not or adapter, but not through two, because the differences is in sizes like that. So we will gonna remove original bolt, install the separately purchased, that's easy to purchase in any supply store, going through adapter, that sits in original place. Now let's add end mirror with Rizoma adapter and just screw it and tighten it up to have that installation in place. By doing so, you have original hand protectors, original bar and weights. Potentially we will gonna reduce some vibrations, if any can happen, at least in high speeds. And with this setup, you have as well bar and mirrors in place. But as I have mentioned, I would like to make it more sportier look. So maybe for touring purposes, I will gonna install those hand guards at later point in time. But for now, I'm just adding both bar and mirrors with Rizoma adapter. So now we can move to the other part that will be completely similar. Next step in our conversion is to change the windshield. We will gonna replace this MRA Vario windshield into original BMW Sport One designed for BMW F900XR. Removal is easy. Just unscrewing 4 bolts. Let's put that aside. Now, using the same bolts, just install the sport screen. Line it and tighten those up. And now with that, our transformation is completed. We have installed Motogadget bar and mirrors. We have installed BMW Sport tinted windshield. I have removed side panniers. I have removed top box. Now it feels sportier. How does it do on the road? Let's check it out. And we are on the road now. In general, I would say it's impressive. I like those bar and mirrors a lot. And the general look, you know, of the lower windshield, sporty one, and bar and mirrors, it kind of gives you a more sporty look and clear view of sight. Those bar and mirrors do not block your vision or do not interrupt your driving. So I really enjoy them. They are pretty clear. The vision is very clear, actually. I would say even better than original ones. And there is no frames in it, so it's a very sleek design, and you can enjoy it. Windshield doesn't provide, of course, that amount of wind protection, if any, comparing to the touring one, so you cannot expect much, but it provides you that sport feeling, like on twisties, or if you will go to the track. So we can compare the view, let's say, from our previous setup, when you are riding with stock mirrors and you are riding with not original, but touring windshield that I have from MRA. That will provide much more wind protection, but that one do not provide so much wind protection, but as well do not give turbulence for your helmet. So sport setup, you can feel that wind resistance in your helmet, but it's not providing turbulence. Now I'm having in my low setup over here, and the feeling is very good. I really like it, and I can enjoy my ride. Now about vibrations. Since I have removed ballast that originally comes in stock, and it's only have right now this Rizoma adapters and bar and mirror attached to it, there is no additional vibration into handlebars. At least I cannot feel it till now. When it comes to mirror kind of vision or reflection vibration, there is some of it, like bigger ones comparing to stock mirrors, but it's only when you are doing high speeds, when you are running on motorway. It's only when you can see those migrations, but let's say on the speed up to 100 kilometers per hour, it's very stable. It provides a very clear view. So it could be an idea to install additional bar end weights, or if hand protectors will be installed again with additional original bar end weight. I think that's even increase much more that stability of bar and mirrors on higher speeds on the motorways. So overall, general impression is very good. I like the setup, I enjoy the road, I enjoy the feeling. Bar and mirrors, very worth upgrade. It's provide you more open view, sporty mirror. It's very nice touch in order to have that more sportier look and feeling during twisty rides or in city commuting. So I would really recommend the same, and that gives a little bit more sporty touch to the riding and a big pleasure. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you do so, press the like button and stay safe on the road.